My name's Lindsay and I write a fashion and style blog called Ropes of Holland. I've been doing it for about 3 years and it's kind of really taken off a little bit more ever since I've moved to London, because I'm from Manchester, and I adore doing it. It lets me have all the creative freedom that I want, and it lets me go to places that I've never been before and explore the world at the same time. The other half of my life is actually that I'm a physio as well, so I do part-time both, which is a really lovely balance. My dress is by Menki Ma and I absolutely adore it. I love how it's unfinished here and it's got a lovely raw hem, which is all up my street, and then the cut of it is kind of oversized and loose and not, I just don't like anything that's fitted. And it's cotton as well, so it's nice and cool. And then it's got this amazing silver eyelet detail here with a pink ribbon through, which is kind of enough of a nod to be a girly girl in a dress, for me, because I don't do girly girl, but I love that so much. Oh, Frank Ocean. I've been, because he's brought a new album out this week, and I was listening to all his old stuff like on repeat, so much so that I've nearly made myself sick of it, but it's called Thinking About You and it is incredible. Serial magazine is my favourite. Beautiful matte covers, hard and thick pages, beautiful paper. I really rate paper in a magazine, and the content is always so good and it's so wholesome and so lifestyle-y that I love it, and I love their travel guides as well. It's not a current one, but my all-time favourite movie is Miss Congeniality with Sandra Bullock. Italian and Spanish, because I like picking, I like small dishes, I like tapas, and I like cured meats and cheese. So yeah, they're my favourite. Australia. I've been twice, both for about a month each time, and I drove the south to east coast on one of the trips, and the other trips I just based myself in Melbourne for a month, and it's just the most vast, beautiful country I've ever been to. I think really for me it's about letting people kind of exhibit their personal style, and also to let people have a voice as well, no matter what your background, ethnicity, colour, anything. The way that you dress that way because it makes you feel good. And if you want to dress that way, then that's amazing. I think one of my favourite places was Morocco, because I got to go with two of my really close friends, Emma and Anna. And the three of us went and we had this massive, amazing riad where the King of Morocco stays, which is just crazy. And then we were treated like princesses all weekend, and I just don't think that happens in real life. I had face ache from smiling so much. I was like, this is ridiculous. Oh, it's kind of like, for me, there's never anything that you can't do here. There's so much on offer. I've been here for 18 months or so, and I'm still going to new places, still trying new things, still visiting rooftop cinemas, which is just amazing to me, that I can sit outside and watch a film with a blanket and watch the sun go down. It's just so good. I really like West London, so around here really, because it's a slower pace of life with Central on your doorstep if you want it, and there's great coffee shops, there's great places to eat, all around food. I love my food, so it has to have good restaurants. Oh, I love online shopping. I like to sit at home with my music on, have a look, have a browse, play with things on Pinterest and try and put outfits together and make ideas that way. But it's just so easy and it just arrives at your house. You don't have to go shopping, you don't have to go into Central. So yeah, no, I do love online shopping. I have a love-hate relationship with technology. I can quite happily waste hours sat on my phone, my laptop, on Instagram, Twitter, reading articles on this, that, just anything I can do, you just get lost. I fall into a trap of finding something, and then I'll think, oh, that's a nice brand, or oh, she looks nice, I'm going to look at her style. And especially for me, because I'm looking for inspiration all the time, and it just gets a little bit much. I'd much rather have the discipline to sit down and get my head in a book instead. But it's just so easy to get your phone out and just scroll and scroll and scroll. For me, it's definitely from my mum. She's got incredible style, always has done, knows how to dress herself, knows her body shape. She knows so much about fashion without being in fashion.